Hi guys, Wriggles here. So this video is to try and help with the latest stability issues that we've had in the latest patch. VGC, which includes Gal, Roadkill, myself, I've been working through things like config files, Microsoft settings and other things to try and improve the performance of Battlefield 2042. So there are a few things here that you may have seen before, you may have not tried yet, but hopefully you may see more of alignment with your GPU and your CPU. So hopefully this helps really. So let's get started. So first of all, what we'll look at is we'll look at the config files. So what you can do is you find that in your normal directory under My Documents, Battlefield 2042, go into Settings, and then you have your proof save underscore profile document. You guys know how to do this now, so drag and drop that into your notepad. What you may have seen after the last patch went in is this would have auto reset. So a few things to change on here. So go in there, and the first thing that I did was actually turn off the VoIP, as we currently don't have that. If there is code left over, it might be using it, so that was my reason for that. And then go back down the list and find your DX12 and make sure it is set to 1. Once you've done that, save the file that you've got there, and then go back up a level back to your Battlefield 2042 folder, and there you should find a file called cache. Now, what the game tends to do if you have DX11 or whatever it's running in, if it was off, or DX12, it will input lots of cache files here, and this file will only get bigger as you visit more maps or see more things as the game goes. So delete that in case there's any clashing of files or anything like that between the two versions. So that moves us on to the next section, which is the Windows graphics settings, which were introduced a while ago. So what you want to do is you want to go into your whichever search function you use within Windows, locate graphic settings, turn on variable refresh rate if you're on the GTX 30 series. There might be some other options there which you can turn on, but what you basically want to do is go browse, find the 2042 directory, add the game there, and then set it to high performance to make sure that Windows is sending everything it possibly can to your hardware. The next one that we could try, it might give you a little bit of performance boost or give you some more FPS, but if you're on the RTX 30 series, you should have a ResizeableBar feature, or if you have AMD, the Smart Access Memory on your card, obviously you need the right motherboard to have that, so make sure that is enabled on the motherboard. If you do have a supported motherboard, you may have to do a BIOS update for that. The next one is the Microsoft have released a newer version of the C++ Visual Studio. So if you want to go to the Microsoft website and search for the latest package and download it, and then what you can do is you can follow the on-screen prompts, get it installed. It will ask for a computer reboot after that. And then, yeah, let that install and then you're good. And then last but not least, one other thing that we've identified is that if you now run the game either via to make sure your Origin or EA Play or your Epic or your Steam is open first, and then if you have the desktop item, run it as admin mode for the first time if possible. What it will do, it will prompt you if you're okay to allow it, and sometimes the antivirus will also, not antivirus, the anti-cheat, sorry, will also pop up and say it requires admin rights as well, so authorize that. And then hopefully that gives you some more balance on your FPS and stability. Yeah, if you like this video, by all means, please like and subscribe. Very small channel, and if you want to see us or chat to us, we're in the VGC Discord, and you can see us on Twitter on that one as well. So That's me, and I will catch you again soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.